to change other people. I have the money now and I'm going to change others. Friends, a day will come soon. إِذَا وَقَعَتِ الْوَاقِيَةِ لَيْسَ لِوَقَتِهَا كَاذِبَةٌ خَافِضَةٌ رَافِيَةٌ. On that day, which is going to come suddenly, the people above will become people below and the people below will go up. It's going to become topsy-turvy. All success will go down, damar, finished. It's a scary day. Don't ever be happy with what you have. Ramzan, with all the fasting, teaches us to be humble seekers of positive change. We need to be beggars in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ya ayyuhan nas, antumul fuqara'u ila Allah. Become beggars in front of Allah. That is what Ramadan is for. Seek from Allah. Allahumma a'inna ala zikrika wa shukrika wa husni ibadatik. Oh Allah, make me a thankful soul. Oh Allah, make me remember you all the time. Oh Allah, make me a beautiful servant of yours. Allahumma inni as'aluka al-huda. Oh Allah, I seek from you. I seek from you. See, this is a concluding thing about what Ramadan is all about. Allah, I seek from you. What do I seek? Guidance. I am not here to guide you. I am not so intelligent that I'm going to tell you what the secret of success is and what you should do and what you should not do. Each one of us should humbly seek from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala huda. What a beautiful dua. And we need to make a lot of dua in this Ramadan. Oh Allah, change our condition. Change our condition. Individual condition and collective condition. Make us thankful for your bounties. Anishkur lillah. Luqman was told, the wise man was told, Anishkur lillah. Let us all be thankful souls. When we do our iftar, let us be thankful for the water that we drink, for the food that we eat, for the oxygen that we breathe. Thankfulness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If that doesn't come in us, nothing will come to us. And therefore, let us be humble. When we fall down and prostrate in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, let us humble ourselves completely. And that is the spirit of ibadah. And let us be obedient. If something is told, let us follow it. Not do whatever we want. Not follow our desires and our hawa. But let us follow the collective conscience of the Islamic Ummah together. And we will all be one in this, and we shall not disobey. This Ramadan should bring that obedience into all of us. Brothers and sisters, make us remember, oh Allah, who we are. Who we are. We are Allah's servants. That's all, nothing more. Inni abdullah. That's all we are. Let us not raise ourselves and humiliate ourselves. We are servants of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We should remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala all the time. يَذْكُرُونَ اللَّهَ قِيَامًا وَقُعُودًا وَعَلَى جُنُوبِهِمْ. And that is the spirit of Ramzan. And moreover, we should remember our purpose. أَمْ حَسِبْتُمْ that do you think that you're being created just to have fun? Abasan. No, we have a great purpose to achieve. Let us remember not only our purpose. We've been sent down as da'is in this world. We've been sent down to establish a world order, to establish justice, to stand up against injustice. There is a lot, brothers and sisters, for us to do. Let us spread love in this environment of hatred. In this Ramadan, let us remember our sins. Remembering sins will humble us. Allahumma inni zalamtu nafsi. Inni zalamtu nafsi. Zulman kasiran. Oh Allah. See, in this Ramadan, when we do our iftar, when we do our night prayers, if we don't remember how many sins we have done, how many disobediences we have done, how many times we have done wrong, how many times we have spoken ill, how many times we have seen with our eyes what we should not be seeing, how many times we have heard what we should not be hearing, how many times we have touched what we should not be touching, how many times have we written and signed what we should not be signing. We remember that. La ilaha illa anta subhanak inni kuntu minaz zalimin. And that's something that should be constantly on our tongues, and we should remember that. are of a state that really hurts us. And the money amongst us, we are very complacent. We are happy the way we are. ہمارے پاس سب کچھ ہے, ایمان ہے, رمضان ہے, افطار ہے, سحور ہے. We don't need anything. Our hearts are full. And this is a state that we ought to be very aware of. Why are we like this? Why is the world around us in this state? If Ramadan does not give us that time to think, to introspect, to worry about it, to think about the others, to empathize, to be sympathetic to the feelings of the poor, what are we doing? What is the meaning of Ramadan? What is the meaning of the Quran? What is the meaning of Roza and Siyam? What is the meaning of Qiyam and Tarawih? Unless we become humble, unless we become kind and charitable and loving, unless we become strong and become like rocks together a wall, if we don't become a realizing people, a remembering people, a loving people, then Ramadan and the Quran has not met its meaning. Friends, let us make this Ramadan a Ramadan for change. A Ramadan for change. Everything that we do is to help us change for the better. The Roza is to help us change for the better. The Quran is to help us change for the better. The Tarawih and Zikr is for us to change for the better, individually and collectively. And like my predecessor said, إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يُغَيِّرُ مَا بِقَوْمٍ. Nothing in the world will change until the problem is not there. The problem is not in him. The problem is in me. I need to change. Can we all decide today that this Ramadan we will all change, inshallah? Bolo bhai, inshallah. Do you want to change? Do you not want to change? Or do you want to change the world without changing ourselves?
शहर गुलिस्तान बेंगलुर में केरला के मलयाली मुसलमानों की यूनिटी का मंजर, इत्तेहाद का मंजर। रमज़ान संगमम प्रोग्राम में बेंगलुरु में रहने वाले मलयाली मुसलमान एक जगह जमा, फैमिलीज़ के साथ इफ्तार के दस्तरखान पर जमा। मासूम रोज़ादारों के लिए, नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों के लिए भी खुसूसी इफ्तार की दावत। जी हाँ दोस्तों, ये मंजर आप देख रहे हैं बेंगलुरु के पैलेस ग्राउंड शीश महल में 8 मार्च बरोज़ हफ्ता हुए रमज़ान संगमम प्रोग्राम का, यानी रमज़ान मिलन प्रोग्राम का जमाते इस्लामी हिंद मलयाली हलके की जानिब से हर साल माह रमज़ान के दौरान एक खुसूसी प्रोग्राम मुनक़द किया जाता है। बेंगलुरु में रहने वाले मलयाली मुसलमान इस दावत इफ्तार में शामिल होते हैं। मलयाली ज़बान के बड़े बड़े स्पीकर्स रमज़ान की अहमियत और मकसद पर खिताबात करते हैं। रमज़ान संगमम प्रोग्राम से वाबस्ता हसन पन्नान कहते हैं कि 25 साल कबल इस प्रोग्राम का आगाज़ हुआ। उस वक्त सिर्फ 100-200 फैमिलीज़ जमा होते थे। आज हज़ारों की तादाद में लोग रमज़ान संगमम प्रोग्राम में शामिल हो रहे हैं। इस प्रोग्राम की एक और कोशिश ये होती है कि साहब खैर अफराद से ज़कात हासिल किया जाए। दोस्तों, यहाँ ये बात काबिल ज़िक्र है कि निजी तौर पर ज़कात अदा करने से ज़्यादा इज्तिमाई तौर पर ज़कात देने और तक़सीम करने के कई फ़ायदे हैं। लिहाजा इज्तिमाई ज़कात को फ़रोग़ देने की कोशिश ज़कात के इज्तिमाई निज़ाम को फ़रोग़ देने की कोशिश मलयाली हलके की जानिब से की जा रही है। हसन पन्नान कहते हैं कि रमज़ान में हासिल होने वाली ज़कात से कई फलाही समाजी तालीमी खिदमात अंजाम दी जाती हैं। ख़ास तौर पर हीरा वेलफेयर एसोसिएशन के ज़रिए गरीब व मुस्तहक स्टूडेंट्स में स्कॉलरशिप तकसीम की जाती है। इस कोशिश का आज ये रिज़ल्ट्स देखने को मिल रहा है कि कभी ज़कात लेने वाले ख़ानदान आज ज़कात देने वाले बन चुके हैं। जी हाँ, हीरा वेलफेयर एसोसिएशन से ज़कात हासिल करने वाले ख़ानदान आज ज़कात देने वाले बन चुके हैं। रमज़ान संगमम 2025 के प्रोग्राम में जमात इस्लामी हिंद कर्नाटक के अमीर हल्का डॉक्टर मोहम्मद साद बेलगामी, डॉक्टर ताहा मतीन, AIKMCC के नुमाइंदे नौशाद व दीगर ने शिरकत की और कौम मिल्लत को काफ़ी अहम पैगाम दिया। बहरहाल मलयाली मुसलमानों के इस खुशनुमा मंज़र को देखकर ये नेक तमन्ना दिल व ज़बान पर आती है कि गुज़रो जो बाग से तो दुआ मांगते चलो, गुज़रो जो बाग से तो दुआ मांगते चलो, जिसमें खिले हैं फूल वो डाली हरी रहे। जुनूबी हिंद न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट।
سمع الله لمن حمده الله